especially brothers from the Middle Belt. We want to say welcome, welcome. We happily welcome every one of you to Igbo City State, Enugu State. I want to believe that you will enjoy your stay. Since you came around, I know you have been enjoying your stay. Alright? So we want to welcome you special. And because of this event, we will also have to let you know how our culture is and as the event unfolds. On behalf of the National President, our one and only Ebu Target, most articulated, most powerful, the only one. I think you are also supporting that man, once you mention it, it's not to the whole of Nigeria, it's not to the whole of Southeast. No other president than our National President, Igbo, Ayaka, Ayaka. And I have applause for our National President for your bringing us so far. Chairman, sir, we welcome you. We want to thank you. Our heart is full of joy. We need the chamber. Without wasting our time, we're going to start immediately. President for yourself one more time. Yeah.
My name is Comrade Joseph A. Yima for you. I'm the leader of the Chief Youth worldwide.
Thank you. Thank you very much.
Hi, Stevie Youth.
My name is from Bauchi State, youth leader, South Nation, worldwide.
Round of applause, round of applause.
My name is Lokunan Samson Joe, the Karogu Youth President, as equal as the Plateau State Chairman of the ethnic youth nationalities.
Thank you, sir.
I am Sariki Naptali Peace from Gombe State, Tangale Nation, representing the youth in the Tangale.
I am covering Uncle Austin, the National President, Akoya Youth Progressive Forum in Benue State.
By the special grace of God, my name is Obio Ateza Aliyu. I am the President General of the Youth Congress of Kogi State. Thank you very much.
Oh, I see. Oh, I see. Aka, Igbo Mamman. Igbo Rien. Igbo One. Igbo Son. Igbo Pican. Ahambo, Comrade Igbo Ayaka, Igbo Ayaka, the National President, Ohaneze Youth Council.
A round of applause for our guest one more time. A round of applause for our guest.
Even the price if I put the bear, we have our leader here. Because each and every one of us is a leader from our perspective of ethnic nationalities in this country. And we have association of ethnic nationalities in Nigeria. And our national chairman is also in our midst. I will introduce him especially to you people. We have Comrade Gareth Luka. He's the national chairman of Indigenous Ethnic Nationality Youth Leaders of Nigeria.
Igbo Benu. Igbo Benu. Benu. Thank you very much. I greet you all in Jesus' name. Amen. With me here is about 3 apologies from our members. The Battalion Youth President is unavoidable absent from Kwara State. He was supposed to be here yesterday. Unfortunately, he couldn't make it. We also have Bachama Youth President from Adamawa State, who, in fact, the notice got to them very late. He sent his apology. OIC President, please kindly note that. You know, if they have to travel to the east, it takes nothing less than 48 hours to be here. Fortunately, the invite got to him late. He wanted to, I said, you can't keep us waiting. My comrades here stood up and introduced themselves without recognizing their positions in the Middle Belt Ethnic Nationality Assembly. With me by the right here is Comrade Gaala, who happens to be the National Secretary of Middle Belt Ethnic Youth Leaders Assembly. Sorry, by my left. By my right here is the Chairman Coalition of Ethnic Youth Leaders on the Plateau, and also the Vice President, Middle Belt Ethnic Youth Leaders Assembly. And the man by the first left happens to be the one standing in for the President of the Middle Belt Ethnic Youth Assembly. We greet you all, and as time permits and as time goes on, we'll get to talk more about our national issues and challenges. Thank you very much.
Moving on the item, we have presentation of the color notes.